Welcome. Do you struggle to get a good night's sleep? Do you often feel tired and groggy in the morning? If so, you're not alone. Sleep is one of the most important aspects of our overall health and well-being, yet many of us struggle to get the quality rest we need. In this video, we'll share 7 proven steps you can take to improve your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Step 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. The first step to getting better sleep is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. By training your body to recognize a consistent sleep schedule, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep. Step 2. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a big role in the quality of your sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in comfortable bedding and pillows, and remove any distractions such as electronics or clutter. Step 3. Avoid stimulants before bedtime. Stimulants such as caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can interfere with your sleep quality. Avoid consuming these substances in the hours leading up to bedtime to ensure a better night's rest. Step 4. Incorporate relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help calm your mind and body before bed. Try incorporating these techniques into your bedtime routine to promote relaxation and better sleep. Step 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve the quality and duration of your sleep. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, and avoid exercising close to bedtime. Step 6. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep rhythms. Limit your screen time in the hours leading up to bedtime to promote better sleep. Step 7. Consider natural sleep aids. If you're still having trouble sleeping, consider natural sleep aids such as melatonin or valerian root. Always talk to your doctor before trying any new sleep aids. By following these 7 proven steps, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. Sweet dreams! Follow our videos and subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a nice day, take care of your health.